Okay, folks, let's try this again. Chapter 16 review. Example number 1 says, solve the equation and check your solution. Raise your hand. What do I do first here? What do I do first? Excellent. Aiden, thank you for volunteering. This says d over 12 plus 25 is equal to 29. What should I do first here to solve this?
Multiply each side by 12.
Aiden says multiply by 12, but there's that little rule. Remember, we always want to get rid of the thing farthest from the variable first, or SADMAP, right? We add and subtract, then we multiply and divide when we're solving, okay? What's the other rule? Before we start solving, we always do what, Jenna? Simplify. Is there anything, Emma, that I can do to simplify? That's solving. Is there anything that I can do to simplify on either side of this equation here, Elizabeth? No. So Daniel, what do I do first?
Minus 25 and minus 29.
Minus 25 and what?
Minus 29.
And minus 29.
And we would do about 4.
Raise your hand if you agree with that.
Well, no, but
Moreau, what's the problem here?
you have to do the same thing to both sides.
You have to do the same thing to both sides, right, Daniel?
I said 25.
Did he say 25? I think he said 29. He meant 25, but I think he said 29. All right. Now, Daniel, go ahead and now tell us what we get.
4.
We get 4 on the right side. What do I have on the left side now?
D over 12.
D over 12. Now, let's go back to Bailey. Bailey, what do I do here to get rid of that 12? Because I want to get D by itself.
You multiply both sides.
I'm going to multiply this side by 12 and this side by 12. And Bailey, what do I get on the left side?
D.
I'm going to get D. And on the right side?
48.
48. Good. Now this says check your solution. So I'm going to rewrite the original equation with parentheses, and I'm going to plug in 48. What do I do first here, David?
You would add 48. Add 48 over 12.
No, that's not what I need to do first here. Remember, we plug in and simplify when we're evaluating to see if this is a solution. Emma?
You divide 48.
What is 48 divided by 12? 4 plus 25 is equal to 29, and then I get 29 is equal to 29. Did we get the right answer?
Yes.
Nice. Good job. Let's look at the next one here. Example number 2 says, write the verbal sentence as an equation, then solve the equation. Isabella, this says 32 minus the product of 9 and a number is 140. Tell me what to write in numbers.
32.
32 minus,
And then with the parentheses, 9. 9 is X.
Ne-
Next to it.
next to it,
Yeah.
like that?
Close parentheses.
Okay.
And equals to 140.
Okay. So now let me ask you this. Do you think I needed those parentheses? No, but that's okay. I mean, it's fine, right? It's okay. All right. What do I do next, Vivian? This said solve the equation. What do I do?
You do minus 32.
Minus 32. That's what'll make it'll go away, right? So minus 32, minus 32. Nice job, Vivian. And will you tell me, what do I have remaining on the left side?
You have 18.
On the left side over here?
Oh,
Left side.
9x. Negative 9.
Negative 9x. We're going to get there, aren't we, Vivian? Okay. And then what do I have on the right side?
18.
Not
I
18.
mean, 118.
I don't think it's that either. Elise?
108.
108. Okay. What do I do next, Barrett?
Divided by negative 9.
Divide by negative 9. Awesome. And what do I get?
And you get
A negative 12. And what do I get on the left side? X. I like it. I like it. Yes, sir.
This is going to minus the product of 9.
What does product mean? Multiply. The product of 9 and a number. So the multiplication of 9 and x.
Wait, so what would, if that were to be division, what would they say?
It would say quotient if it was a division. Okay? If it was a division. Subtraction is difference. Okay? Addition says sum. Let's look at the next one. All right? Example number 3, it says solve the equation, check your solution. All right, what do we always do before we solve, Moro? You simplify. So tell me, what should I do first here?
You should simplify
2D and plus 3D?
Yeah.
What do I get?
Becomes 5D plus 3D.
All right, that becomes 5D, and you said plus 24. I just bring that down, is equal to 84. Now Rowan's going to tell me what I do from here.
You subtract 24 from 84.
I certainly do. Do I do it over here? I do, okay. And I'm going to get what? And-
Equals 5.
5D on the left side? Good. All right, 5D is equal to 60. Now, where do I go from there, Emily?
From there, you divide both sides by 5.
Divide both sides by 5. And what do I get?
On the left side, you get D.
D is equal
On
to?
the side, you get 12.
Beautiful. Okay. Now it said check your solution. So I'm going to go back to the original equation. Aiden, tell me what to write, please.
You need to write 12.
Hang on. It says check your solution.
2.
Yes, sir?
Times 12.
Parentheses plus, I'm going to plug that in later, right? 24.
Plus 3 parentheses.
Uh-huh.
Equals 84.
All right. Now, you wanted to tell me what I should put in those parentheses, and what should I? 12. Now, remember, when you're checking your solution, you're basically evaluating, right? They're saying, here's what the variable equals, plug it in. See if it works, okay? So, Aiden, what should I do?
2 times 12
Which is
24
24 plus 24
plus 36.
plus 36 is equal to 84. I'm not sure if it does or not. Let me ask you this. Bailey, what's 24 and 24? 48 plus 36 is equal to 84. All right. What's 48 and 36, Hannah?
48 and 36.
Is it? Is it?
Yes.
It is. Don't assume that it is. Especially if you're twirling your hair and not putting it in the calculator. Thank you.
Since it's the last test of the year.
Bear, do I need to stop this? Okay, because you've asked me a lot about the end of the year stuff. Okay, let's look at the next one. Example number 4 says solve the equation and then check your solution. What do I do before I solve, Zachary? I do need to simplify. Do you see anything up here that I can do to simplify?
Yes.
All right, you tell me.
Okay, so you can add 6 plus 14.
Oh, can I?
Wait,
Hey,
wait, no, never mind.
tell me something. What is the order of operations,
Oh,
Elise?
oh,
Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, right? Addition and subtraction. So we like to think of this as PEMDAS. Now, Zachary, I can't let it get by. I know you've already corrected yourself, but you were trying to add before we multiply, weren't you? But you said, wait a minute, whoa, let me fix that. And now what are you telling me to do, Zachary?
Okay, you're gonna hit 6 times 9.
All right, we are going to multiply. Distributive property is always multiplying. 6 times 9 gives us what?
54.
Yes, sir, it does.
And then plus 6 times y, which is 6y.
Yes, sir, it is. Okay. And then on the left side, I've just got the same thing, don't I? Can I simplify anything on the left side, Zachary?
No.
No. Okay. Keep going for us, Zachary. Is there anything left to simplify?
Yes.
Okay.
54 plus 14.
54 plus 14, and what does that give us?
That gives us 6.
That does give us 68, so 6y plus 68. Good, and where do I go from there now? Jenna? I got variables all over the place.
So you could, minus 6 from one side and do it to the other side. No, 6. Go to 6y. Erase -6.
You said minus 6, right? Okay.
Minus 6y.
Oh, minus 6y. Okay. All right, and now what do I get on the right side, Jenna?
You get 7.
Okay, on the left side, I get 7
7 plus 19.
plus 19.
And then on the
I get 68. All right, now where do I go, Jen?
7 plus 19,
Okay,
and that's 26 equals 60.
now we can sometimes get crazy answers like this, can't we? That happens sometimes. And what do we say when we get a crazy answer like that? What do we say no solution, right? But that's not what happened here. That's not what happened here. I'm going to go back. Jenna, do you see where we went off track? Okay, let me get rid of this. Help out. Where did I go off the track?
Oh.
Moreau.
Well, you do 13y minus 6y, but there's still a 1.
Oh, 13 minus 6y is what?
Oh,
7y. Good. Okay. Excellent. Now what do I do, Elise? Okay. Subtract 19 from both sides, and I'm going to get 7y is equal to, what is that? 49. Okay. And then what do I do from there? Divide both sides by 7, and I get y is equal to 7. Now it says check our solution. So when I check my solution, I'm going to write the same thing again, except I'm going to put parentheses for where the variable is. So it's going to be 13 parentheses plus 19 is equal to 6 times 9 plus parentheses plus 14. Okay? Hannah, tell me what you've got written down when you checked this.
Okay, so.
No, only tell me what you have written down when you checked it.
Well, I didn't write it down before I checked it.
Well, why not?
Because I write it down and then I go home and do it.
I see. Okay. Tell me what I should do here, Vivian.
Right now.
Yes, right now.
You plug in the, you plug in the 7 to each parentheses.
7 to the parentheses. Now what do I do?
13 times 7.
Which is? 91 plus 19 is equal to, now what?
6 times 9 plus, 9 plus 7.
Which is?
16.
16 plus 14. All right, good. What do I do next, Daniel?
You do 6 times 16.
Uh-huh, and what do I get?
You get
96 plus 14. Good. Daniel, Barrett, what do I get here on the left side?
You get,
Mm-hmm.
you
110. And what do I get on the right side, Hannah?
on the right side, you would get 100.
Nice. So did we get the right answer?
Yes.
We did get the right answer. Nice. Okay, I'm going to stop this video right here because there's no way I'm going to get through the next 3 problems, even one problem in a minute 16. So I'll do the rest on the next video.